Today I'm going to cash in the steel that's been piling up in the back of my truck. First we go over the scale to get weighed. We'll go back over the scale on the way out to determine the total weight will be paid for. Then we pull through and back up to the shred pile to unload. It's called a shred steel pile because everything you see in this pile ends up getting shredded by this huge machine. It's a mix of different types of metals, not just steel. For example, a washing machine will have a mix of wire, copper from the motor, stainless steel from the drum, steel from the lining. It all goes through a huge shredder and sorting machine to sort out all the different metals. So anything bulky and with a mix of different metals goes in this big shred pile. You can even scrap stuff that has a small amount of wood or plastic attached as long as it's 70% or more weight by metal. Different scrapyards have different rules, so just make sure you ask first.
Death Frisbee. Look at somebody dropping brand new brake rotors in the shred pile. That's crazy. So we had 280 pounds of shred steel at 180 per gross ton. That's about 7-8 cents a pound. Made 23 bucks. Not too bad for just cleaning out the truck.